Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Scope Freelancer, your all-in-one freelance business tool. In today's video, we're going to talk about the email services and how you can set up some things in a way that will be helpful for tracking, sending, replying to emails from within your account. There are a couple ways you can go about doing this. I'm going to explain all of them so that you can best decide for yourself and for your freelance business. So let's take a look. Everything that has to do with email is going to be in our settings area. So I'm going to go down to settings. First, I'm going to stop by my profile. And here, if you're using Gmail or Outlook, then you can set up a two-way sync for your email. So this will sync all incoming and outgoing emails between Scope Freelancer and your personal email account. So whether you use our conversations area to send or receive emails or your own personal email from one of these services, it's all going to be tracked in both systems all of the time. So you never lose anything, and it won't matter which one you open up to check on your email with. The other way to do this, if you're not using one of these two services, but you still want to set up a couple extra things so that you're tracking your email better, is to head down to Email Services. Here you're probably going to get a pop-up like me that says it would be wise to create a dedicated domain. If you send a lot of email, if email marketing and email newsletters are really important to you, then I would consider setting this up. It's free to do, and it just gives you more control over your own email service. So definitely worth looking into. We'll probably make another video about this at some point in time. But I just want to skip straight to the reply and forward settings. So as you can see here, if someone, let's back up one step and explain how this works. So if someone replies to an email that you send out with our email tools, then that reply is going to go into your Conversations tab, but it's not going to automatically be sent to your actual email address. If you want that to happen, you have to set it up here. So you can do this either by creating a forwarding address. So here you could type in your own email address, and that means that anytime someone replies to, for example, your email newsletter or any email campaigns you create and send, that email or that reply rather from them will be sent to your Conversations tab, but also forwarded directly to your email address. So you can check your email as normal, and you will see any replies or any answers to the emails you send out from Scope Freelancer. So you can do that. Another great option, you can send BCC emails. So this is where you could tag your own email or maybe a different personal email of yours to always be sent copies of any of the emails that are going out as email campaigns from your account. I like to do this. I send all of the emails that I generate for Scope Freelancer also to my personal email address through BCC, just to make sure and see, from the customer's end that everything's getting there, that it looks correct, that it's landing in their inbox on time and just working as I expect it to work, right? This is a good way to add yourself to your own email chain so you can just always be watching and checking that everything's working correctly. The other and final option is the reply address. So here you see here on the bottom, you can reply or rather add a reply to address, and this could be your actual email address. But in this case, this will mean that if someone replies to one of your email campaigns, again, your newsletters, any email that you send out through this account, that the reply to address, when they click reply, will be your actual email address, which means that the system, the Scope Freelancer platform, will not receive that email at all, and it will not know that it exists. So that email will only go to your email account. If you want that to work like that, that's fine. Just know that you will lose any of the tracking benefits, and any copies of that email will not be tracked anymore by our system. And you can see it right here. Reply conversations cannot be tracked, and they will not come to the conversations thread. So just be aware, if you set it up to work like that, then all of those email replies will only go to your personal email address, and they won't be copied or tracked anywhere else. So that's all there is to it. Now I think you know a little bit more about how the email works. You can hopefully go in and create a system that works for you, that is advantageous for you and your business. And that's all there is to it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And of course, if you're looking for an all-in-one software tool for your freelance business at a price that freelancers can actually afford, head over to fullscopefreelancer.com, sign up for a 14-day free trial. It's 2 weeks on us to use all the features and see just how powerful this platform is. We look forward to seeing you there.